Welcome to eLearn. Today we are going to see how to save workbook in Excel. Saving new sheet. Once you are done with typing in your new worksheet, it is time to save your sheet or workbook to avoid losing your work you have done on the Excel sheet. Following are the steps to save an edited Excel sheet. Step 1. Click the File tab. Save as option. Select the folder where you would like to save the sheet. Enter file name which you want to give to your enter file name. Which you would want to give your sheet. Select save as type. Excel workbook. Finally, click on save button and your sheet will be saved with the entered name in the selected folder. You can see here I have given a desktop, file name as Word. Finally, now saving new changes. It's already existing one. Have changing something here. There may be a situation when you have opened an existing sheet and edited it partially or completely, or even you would like to save the changes in between editing of the sheet. If you want to save the sheet with the same name, then you can use either of the following simple options. One is just press Ctrl S key to save the changes. Optionally, you can click on the floppy icon available on the top left corner and just above file tab. This option will also save the changes. You can also use third mention to save the changes, which is saved option available just above the save as option. Shown in the above screen capture. If your sheet is new and it was never saved so far, then with either of these three options, Word would display you a dialog box to let you select a folder and enter sheet name as explained in case of saving new sheet. Thank you.